Hello everyone. Today we are going to delete an object from an array. So we take an example with an array and we make a three objects in it. As you can see it, ID1, ID2 and ID3, and name is ID and name is the key, as you see that. And then we want to remove this ID2 and name key by a this object, this remove object from this an array. For this we have to use two property of array which is newly introduced in ES6, means ECMAScript 6, which is known as find index and then splice. Find index we use to determine the index of that object from this array. For this we write desk, this is an array dot find index, and this inside it we use arrow function is res, and res dot id, which is written all these ids id1, id2 and id3. And this double equivalence means we are comparing, and single assign use, then it is we are assigning, and double is equal to means we are comparing the values. If triple is equals to use, then we are comparing value along with this type. We are using triple. Okay, then we have to remove this object from this array. Then we compare id res dot id, which is give all the ids in compare array objects dot id. Then we compare this. Let me check what will be get in output. We get 1 in the output. Similarly, if we remove change this object, this 3 and xy b, then this index will be 2, as you can check that 0 1 2. Okay, after that we can comment this, and if we want to delete this from an array, we use splice method from an array. We make an we use this rm object, which this find index, the index which you will find, which passed in splice method. Splice is taken two argument. First is index which you want to remove, and by default and at the end second argument will be 1. If you want to remove a single element from an array, then it's always be 1, and this is will be changed. First argument, second will be same. If you want to remove a single element from an array, and this we want, then we remove it and we console it. We can see that this is removed from an array, and we console our original array. This is an original array, and which is remove this object from this array. Thank you, friends.